Welcome to this exploration of Surah Al-Furqan, the criterion of truth. This video examines the introduction from Maulana Maududi's Tafhim al-Quran, focusing on the context and conflict of this Middle Makkah revelation, which separates light from shadow. The title Al-Furqan is derived from the very first verse. Maulana Maududi notes that this is not just a title, but a description. Al-Furqan signifies that which distinguishes truth from falsehood and the genuine from the counterfeit. Scholarly context places the surah in the Middle Meccan period, approximately 8 years prior to Surah An-Nisa. Its tone and subject matter reflect an intense time of friction, where the struggle between belief and ignorance had deepened. The surah addresses specific objections raised by the disbelievers of Mecca, the Quraysh, against 3 core pillars: the divine origin of the Quran, the prophethood of Muhammad ﷺ, and the teachings he presented. The opposition actively worked to confuse the public. The surah provides a measured answer to each doubt, engaging the intellect alongside logical refutations. It includes a clear warning about the disastrous consequences of turning away from the truth, mixing intellectual engagement with spiritual admonition. Beyond refuting objections, the surah paints a vivid picture of 2 distinct moral camps. It moves the argument from theory to reality. Maulana Maududi suggests the surah presents the believer's ethical qualities as a map for people to examine. One side showcases the character of those molded by the teachings of Muhammad ﷺ. Their pure conduct is the living proof of the message's truth, representing the, quote, pure gold refined through the fire of Islam. On the other side stands the model of morality prevalent among the Arab populace of Jahiliyyah. Resistance was not just against theology, but an effort to maintain this specific, flawed social order, which the chiefs fought to preserve. The surah places a touchstone before the people. Test them on this touchstone, implies the text. See who is counterfeit and who is genuine. The contrast between the 2 characters was so stark, it demanded a decision. Maulana Maududi describes this as a non-verbal question placed before every inhabitant of Arabia. Now decide for yourself, which of these 2 models do you prefer? The evidence of character was visible to all. The answer to this question was recorded on the scroll of time. Within a few years, the superior character of the believers won the hearts of the people, and the entire nation, save a small minority, chose the Prophet's path. Surah Al-Furqan stands as an eternal standard, reminding us that truth is distinguished not just by arguments, but by the character it produces. Blessed is he who sent down the criterion,